Let us consider another example here for 3 marks. Show that the relation R in the set A. So what is the set here? X belongs to Z such that X is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 12. See, X belongs to integer set given by R is equal to AB such that, see, in the previous class I told one rule will be given. Mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Is an equivalence relation. So you have to prove that it is an equivalence relation. So equivalence relation means it should be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So it is a important question carrying 3 marks. So here reflexive, let us check for reflexivity. See, here set is given, X is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 12. We have to include 0 here, 0 to 12. So A is equal to, see here, 0 to 12. So this is a finite set. So here let us begin here reflexive property. So reflexive property means, as we know the definition, element belongs to, so here element is related to itself, that we write A comma A belongs to R. That means according to this, you see, A mod of A minus B, they have given mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4. So you element is same, so mod of A minus, so you replace B by A here, mod of A minus A, that is difference, A minus A is equal to 0. So we know 0 is a multiple of 4 over, it is reflexive. So you understand this here, no need to write the ordered pairs here, because if you go on writing the ordered pairs, it will take lot of time. So you observe that a mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4. So you replace B by A here, we get A minus A is equal to 0. So 0 is a multiple of 4, therefore it is reflexive. Simple. Only thing is you have to write this R is reflexive. So let us check for here. You observe carefully here. Symmetric. See, symmetric properties, as we know the definition here, very simple. You take only one pair here, A comma B. A comma B implies B comma A. So A comma B belongs to R implies, according to this, simply we have to write mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4. It is given in the problem. So here we have to change the order. See here, mod of B minus A is a multiple of 4. So you can skip this step also, but you have to write this because mod sign is there. Mod of, so I will take minus outside, B minus A is a multiple of 4. That means mod of negative quantity considered as a positive. So mod of B minus A is a multiple of 4. Mod of B minus A multiple of 4 means what? B comma A belongs to R, therefore it is symmetric. So last property, transitive. We need 2 pairs here. See here, 2 pairs. What are the pairs here? AB and BC. So AB and BC. So A comma B belongs to R means mod of A minus B, and B comma C means mod of B minus C. Both are multiples of 4 according to the given problem. So mod of A minus B and mod of B minus B both are multiples of 4. That means this difference and this difference both are multiples of 4. So this will be one number, this will be one number after subtracting. So here if we add these two, that is A minus B plus B minus C, both are multiples of 4. So after adding what here, plus B and minus B get cancels here. So we get A minus C is a multiple of 4. So that in turn means A comma C belongs to R. That is nothing but R is transitive. So overall it satisfies all the properties. Therefore R is an equivalence relation. See, this is very simple problem. Here no need to write ordered pairs. Remember this. Here you need not write ordered pairs. Simply generally we can prove this way. So only thing is here, first we have to write the set here 0 to 12. Then go on checking the properties.